Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're excited to make a Laravel video. Whenever we get an error, it's a blessing from God because you're learning something new. Because it delays your progress. You think that that's a bad thing. It's not. So I'm trying to do this. Also, I learned this now. I want to delete, but if I want to delete, I see this. It says cannot find column member ID, members.id. My table is called members, but then Laravel expects me to have the primary key as members, as ID. So my ID in my primary key is member ID, not ID as Laravel thinks. So now what do? There are two options. You rename all your primary keys in all tables you want to use as ID, not member ID. But also there's a very good chance to use a very good thing to tell Laravel, like, look, I don't want that ID, I got my own ID, so use that. So now what's next here? You go to your you see I looked into this. You can see that I'm trying to say member ID, right? And also here in the controller I'm giving it member ID, right? No, in the web.php. So when I go to controller, I also give it member ID, so it can't. You see, I was doing that, pulling out data here. I managed to pull it out without getting issues. But if you want to use the find function, see this find function from Laravel, there's no way it's gonna allow you to do that unless you customize your model class. So in that sense, you can see that this is the member ID. And let me try to see if I can go to what is this called? It's gonna be called PHP my admin. Okay, local host. No, it won't give me that. Local host. You can see that you can say PHP my admin, PHP my admin. Let's give it some time. Yes, password is easy. Admin admin. Then we log in. I go to my DB. And look for members. I'm looking for the members table. Let me search here. Member. Yeah, this is a members table. Okay, if we here now, you can see that ID4 is what we want to delete, but you can see that our primary key is ID. Let me show you here. With member ID structure, you can see the primary key is member ID. So Laravel expects to be ID. If you change it, it's gonna work. But it could happen like my program has almost 100 tables, so, and they are connected to this ID. So there's no way I can change everything. It's gonna be too much work. So the best way is this. Go to your, you see this is the model I'm using. Go to the model, but yeah, go to the model. This is the controller corresponding to your controller, this controller. the one I'm using or the one you're using. That model, let me go to models, HTTP controllers, HTTP, okay, models, this one member. Okay, this one, what you do here, you tell Laravel, like, look, I want, you declare this protected, then primary key, $, primary key could be capital K equals to, then you put your ID, whatever ID you want to use. But I have my problem with the member ID. I don't know why in my I can't get an equal sign here, but I'm gonna get it from a different I wonder why it happens like that on my keyboard. Okay, I'm gonna just copy this. Okay, and I go to models. I'm looking for that model. Where was controllers model? Models. Okay, I'm gonna put an equal sign here. Okay, once you do that, don't forget to close here. Once you do that, you save. It should work, because you told Laravel don't use your default ID. I got mine, so I'm using this. So let me go here. We want to delete 4. You see, 4 is gone. You can see it works 100%. So to confirm that, remember in our DB there was ID 4. It's no more there now. So now there is 5. I can delete 5 also by going here and delete 5. Then if I refresh, there will be no 5. Well, that's it. And guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also comment in the comment box below. We're gonna be doing a couple of videos on Laravel this year, I think so, God willing. Yeah, we're gonna be benefiting a lot. I hope to see you next time. Please don't leave here without subscribing. See you in the next video. Okay.